folks. Welcome to Ridges Quantum, the domino effect, chapter 9, the ripple effect of elevated emotions. Emotions are not just personal experience, they are quantum fields of information that radiate outward, influencing every aspect of your reality. When you learn to consistently generate elevated emotions through small strategic actions, you create ripple effects that transform not only your internal state but also your external circumstances in ways that seem almost magical. The electromagnetic reality of emotions. Every emotion you experience creates a measurable electromagnetic field around your body. When you feel anger, fear, or frustration, you generate a chaotic, incoherent field that actually ripples opportunities and attracts more of what you don't want. But when you cultivate elevated emotions like gratitude, joy, and love, you create a coherent field that acts like a beacon, drawing aligned people and circumstances into your experience. The HeartMath Institute has measured these fields extending 8 to 10 feet around the human body, which means you're consistently broadcasting your emotional state to everyone around you. More importantly, you are also receiving and processing the emotional fields of others, creating a continuous exchange of energetic information. The neuroscience of elevated emotions. Elevated emotions don't just feel good, they fundamentally rewire your brain for success. When you experience emotions like appreciation, compassion, or inspiration, several remarkable changes occurs. Prefrontal cortex activation. The thinking brain comes online, improving decision making, creativity, and future planning abilities. Stress hormone reduction. Cortisol, adrenaline, and other stress chemicals decrease, allowing your body to access its natural healing and regenerative abilities. Neurotransmitter optimization. Serotonin, dopamine, and oxytocin increase, creating feelings of well being and connection that makes positive behaviors feel effortless. Neural network integration, different areas of your brain begins communicating more effectively, leading to increased intuition and aha moments. The small actions that generate big emotions. The key to harnessing elevated emotions is not waiting for them to happen spontaneously. It's learning to generate them intentionally through specific small actions. Here are the quantum dominoes that consistently produce elevated emotional states. The appreciation micro practice. Every hour, find one thing in your immediate environment to genuinely appreciate, not just thinking about it, but actually feeling grateful for it. This could be the warmth of sunlight on your skin, the taste of water, or the fact that your heart is beating without your conscious effort. The loving kindness snapshot. Several times throughout the day, silently send a moment of loving kindness to someone you encounter, the barista making your coffee, a fellow driver, or a co worker. This practice elevates your emotional state while contributing to the collective field of compassion. The wonder pause. When you notice something beautiful or remarkable, a cloud formation, a child's laughter, an elegant solution, pause for 30 seconds to fully observe the experience. Let yourself feel awe or wonder. This simple practice rewires your brain to notice more beauty and possibility. The achievement celebration. Instead of immediately moving to the next task after completing something, take 30 seconds to acknowledge and appreciate what you have just accomplished. This reinforces positive neural pathways and builds momentum for future achievements. The ripple patterns of elevated emotions. When you consistently generate elevated emotions, the effects ripple outwards in predictable patterns. Immediate ripples 0 to 4 hours improve decision making ability, increase creativity and problem solving, enhance communication skills, greater resilience to stress. Daily ripples 24 to 48 hours improve sleep quality, better relationships with family and colleagues, increase synchronicities and lucky encounters, enhance physical energy and vitality. Weekly ripple 7 to 30 days. Attraction of like minded people, increase opportunities and invitations, improve financial circumstances, enhance health markers. Long term ripples 30 plus days. Major life circumstances begin shifting, career opportunities emerge, relationships deepen or transform, life purpose becomes clearer. The contagion effect of emotional elevations. Emotions are literally contagious. When you maintain elevated emotional states, you unconsciously influence others to elevate as well. This happens through multiple mechanisms. Mirror neuron activation. Other people's brains automatically mirror your emotional states through specialized neurons that fire both when you experience an emotion and when you observe someone else experiencing it. Electromagnetic field resonance. Your coherent emotional field influences the heart rhythms and brain states of people around you, creating a form of energetic entertainment. Behavioral modeling. When others see you consistently responding to challenges with grace, appreciation, and elevated emotions, they begin to model these behaviors themselves. The compound interest of emotional investment. Think of elevated emotions as an investment account that pays a compound interest. Each moment you spend in appreciation, joy, or love does not just benefit that moment, it creates a foundation that makes future elevated emotions easier to access and sustain. This is why the small, consistent emotional practices are so powerful. You're not just changing how you feel in the moment, you're literally rewiring your emotional baseline, making elevated states your new normal rather than peak experiences. The quantum field effect. At the quantum level, elevated emotions appear to influence the probability of positive outcomes manifesting in your life. While the exact mechanisms are not fully understood, research in areas like psychoneuroimmunology and consciousness studies suggests that coherent emotional states may influence what quantum physicists call the observer effect, the way consciousness appears to influence physical reality. Practically, this means that when you consistently maintain elevated emotional states, you seem to be in the right place at the right time. More often, think of people right before they contact you, have lucky breaks and beneficial coincidences, find solutions to problems appearing unexpectedly, attract resources and support when you need them. The domino chain of emotional elevation. Domino 1, morning emotional calibration. Start each day with a 2-minute practice of generating appreciation. This sets your emotional baseline for the entire day. Domino 2, transition rituals. Use transitions between activities as opportunities to elevate. Take 3 grateful breaths before starting a new task or entertaining or entering a new environment. Domino 3, challenge reframing. When difficulties arise, immediately ask, how can I find something to appreciate in this situation? These questions revise your brain to look for opportunity rather than problems. Domino 4, connection amplification. During interaction with others, silently focus on one thing you appreciate about them. This elevates both your emotional state and improves the quality of the interaction. Domino 5, evening integration. End each day by identifying the 3 highest emotional moments you experience. This reinforces the neural pathways associated with elevated emotions. The physiology of sustained elevation. Maintaining elevated emotions, it requires understanding the physiology of emotional states. Your autonomic nervous system has 2 primary branches. Sympathetic stress response activates fight or flight, releases stress hormones, create narrow focus and reactive thinking, depletes energy over time. Parasympathetic restoration response activates rest and digest, releases healing hormones, creates expanded awareness and creative thinking, build energy over time. Elevated emotions activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which is why practices like gratitude, compassion, and appreciation do not just feel good, they actually restore and regenerate your entire system. Now, let us understand the social physics of emotional fields. Groups of people can create collective emotional fields that are more powerful than the sum of their individual parts. When you consistently maintain elevated emotions, you contribute to raising the emotional temperature of every group you're part of, your family, workplace, community, and social circles. This is not just feel good philosophy, it's measurable physics. Research has shown that groups with emotionally coherent members make better decisions. Teams with high emotional elevations are more creative and productive. Families with elevated emotional practices have better health outcomes. Communities with higher baseline emotional states have lower crime rates and better economic outcomes. The precision practice of emotional elevation. Generated elevated emotions is not about forced positivity or ignoring negative feelings. It's about developing the skill to consciously shift your emotional state when it serves your highest good. Here is the precision practice. Step 1, awareness. Notice your current emotional state without judgment. Simply observe what you're feeling. Step 2, choice. Ask yourself, does this emotional state serve my highest vision for my life? If not, choose to shift. Step 3, activation. Use one of your established emotional elevation practices to generate a more elevated state. Step 4, sustaining. Maintaining the elevated state for at least 60 seconds. This allows it to influence your autonomic nervous system and create lasting change. Step 5, integration. Return to your activity while maintaining the elevated emotional state as much as possible. The challenges and solutions. Challenges, it feels fake or forced solutions. Start with micro moments of genuine appreciation for simple things. Build your capacity gradually rather than trying to generate intense emotions immediately. Challenge, I can't maintain it when things get difficult. Solution, practice emotional elevation during neutral moments first. Build your emotional fitness before using it during challenging times. Challenge, Others think I'm being unrealistic. Solution: focus on your internal experience rather than external validation. Let your results speak for themselves. Challenge: I forget to practice. Solution: link emotional elevation practices to existing habits and environmental cues. The ripple effect of elevated emotions is perhaps the most powerful force for transformation available to human beings. When you master the art of generating elevated emotions through small, consistent actions, you don't just change your emotional life of own life. You become a positive force in the lives of everyone around you, contributing to the elevation of human consciousness itself. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.